How would you like to make your own ice cream within minutes? What happens when you mix lemonade and mentos? And could you make a bubble bigger than your head? Keep watching to find out. Welcome to Science at 6 with Cambridge Science Centre. My name's Joanne and I'm this week's presenter in the centre. Before we get started, we'd just like to say a massive thank you to everyone who has watched any of our videos so far. We hope you've enjoyed watching them as much as we've enjoyed making them. You can of course catch up with all of our previous Science at 6 videos on our website or YouTube channel, where you can also find all of the try-at-home activities and challenges. Science at 6 from Cambridge Science Centre will continue throughout the summer. Look out for some more great STEM activities to try. We hope you enjoyed last week's structures theme and that all you budding engineers out there enjoyed our paper construction task. Hopefully your bridges were a great success. This week, as we're heading into the summer holidays, we thought we'd have some fun and show you 3 super summary science demonstrations. First, Mia is going to show you how to make some ice cream ready for the warmer July and August days. She's using a handy, highly scientific method that's fast, easy, and of course, delicious. Let's see how it works.
Hello, my name is Mia and I'm one of the science communicators here at the Cambridge Science Centre. Today I'm going to show you how, with a bit of chemistry knowledge, you can make ice cream really fast without the need for a freezer or an ice cream maker. So, you're going to need some ice, some salt, a milkshake or your own recipe of ice cream mixture, 2 Ziploc bags, a dishcloth and a bowl. So firstly, pour your milkshake or ice cream mixture into a Ziploc bag and then make sure your bag is fully sealed. Now fill the other Ziploc bag with ice. Next, I'm going to add some salt to the ice. And then place this Ziploc bag inside of this one. And top it off with a bit more ice. I'm then going to grab a dishcloth to protect my hands from the cold and give the bag a really good shake. So, once you've given the bags a really good shake, take the inner Ziploc bag out, decant it into a bowl, and there you have it, your homemade ice cream. So, what's happening here? Well, the ice has to absorb heat energy in order to melt and change from a solid to a liquid. If you hold onto some ice, you can feel your hand getting cold as the ice absorbs heat from your hands. In the same way, that heat from the ice cream mixture is absorbed by the ice, so it cools and freezes. When you add salt to the ice, it lowers the freezing point of the ice, so even more energy has to be absorbed in order for the ice to melt. This makes the ice colder than it was before, which then freezes your ice cream mixture, making it into ice cream.
Fantastic, thank you Mia. What could be better than a nice cold ice cream when it's hot outside? Well, if you'd like to have some more chemistry fun, then this next demo is perfect for in the garden or at the park. What's better than small or medium-sized bubbles? Massive bubbles, of course. But how do we get massively huge, ginormous bubbles? Well, let's start with the weather. Bubbles are very delicate, so high temperatures and wind will easily burst them. The best conditions for bubbles are cool weather, no wind, and high humidity. A bit like today. All of the instructions for making your own bubble wand like this one are in the description below, but you can experiment with lots of materials to see which one works best. The bubble mix we're using is water, washing up liquid, and glycerin, which you can get from the supermarket. It just gives the bubbles a little bit more strength. You can also find the recipe below. So, from really big bubbles to lots of really small bubbles. For our finale, we'd like to show you the fabulous Foamy lemonade fountain. Please remember to ask an adult before trying this one and try to find a large, clear, outside space to try it out. As usual, all of the instructions are in the description below.
So have you ever wondered what happens when you combine some fizzy drink with some mentos? Well, let's find out. You ready? 3, 2, 1. So, what's going on here? Well, our fizzy drink is full of carbon dioxide and our mentos are covered in lots and lots of really tiny sugar particles. And when we combine the two, the carbon dioxide is attracted to our sugar particles and start to form bubbles and escape the bottle.
We hope you'll be able to get outside this summer and try out some of these activities. Keep sharing all of your experiments, photos and videos with us. Send them to openupscience@cambridgesciencecentre.org or social media. And look out for some more fun activities throughout the summer. Bye for now.